How you doing, everybody? Chris Bruce here, and real quick, I want to talk about a property that I just picked up. As you can see here, we're going to go take a look inside of it. The reason why I'm shooting this video is I want to talk about real estate in its current condition right now and how you can get started right now. All right, so a lot of people think that you have to have a lot of cash and credit to get started. And even if you don't have to have cash and credit, they think about big marketing budgets that you need to have in order to find properties in today's current market, right? Because the real estate market is on fire. However, I'm gonna show you this property here that we picked up, and we actually got this from just spending $15 on a marketing campaign. But before we get into that, follow me real quick. All right, so this property here was a property that we actually got under contract. And we did all of this from over the phone, all right? Everything was over the phone, over the computer. This is actually my first time taking a look inside of this property, but we got this one for $140,000. I actually signed the contract while we were I was out of town with my dad in Colombia, out of the country. And so I picked this property up for $140,000, and I'm gonna sell it for about $155,000. Maybe 160. At the lowest, we'll get about 15 grand for the property. And this property here, again, no cash, no credit. We just signed a contract that's stating that we're gonna give them $140,000, and I'm gonna sell my rights to this contract for about $155,000, $160,000. Now, here's actually how we got this deal. We have a software that we use to go out and send text messages out to multiple people, several people that own vacant properties. And so we ended up picking up a list of vacant properties in our area, here in the Tampa Bay area. We sent out a text message campaign, and we got a lot of responses. And from there, we got a motivated seller who was looking to get rid of her property so that way she can use the money for this property to pay for her daughter's college tuition. So we agreed over the phone for a price of $140,000. We signed a contract. Again, everything was done while I was in Colombia, and we're getting ready to sell this property this week. Now, what I've done is I've put together a free webinar training, all right? It's gonna be about 60 minutes long. I'm gonna show you the power of text message, the software that we're using. I'm gonna show you how we do this step by step to flip properties. Again, this is my first time in this property. I've never even met the homeowner. But I want to show you how you can get started doing this. You can do this in your part-time. If you have a full-time job, that's totally fine. You can do this just, in your spare time. You don't have to need any cash or credit, and you don't need a huge marketing budget to get started and do your first deal. So go ahead, there's gonna be a link below somewhere. I want you to click and get access right now to the training. I'm only gonna be holding this for the next few days. And I'm gonna share also with you case studies of people that are just like you that decided to go ahead and join this class. And like my student Joseph, who did his first deal, who made $28,000. Also like Corey, who did his first deal through text message and made $9,000. So go ahead, sign up right now, and I cannot wait to share with you so you can start doing the exact same thing in your market. See you in the web class.